Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and in front of us is a vintage American lock padlock. Little 40mm brass padlock with a steel shackle, hardened steel for that matter. And this was sent to me as part of a trade by Thumper. Please go check out his lockpicking channel as well. And isn't it just lovely? Really lovely vintage lock. Let's have a look at that key, and you can see that even the logo has changed from what it is now. I don't really know the age, but it's definitely mid-century, so yeah, really lovely thing. I just really like it. You can't disassemble it, but it's clearly got 5 pins and quite an open keyway. Good bitting though, actually, for a little 5-pin lock, despite its open keyway. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 2 and 5 being, well, close to zero lift, if not zero lift pins. So look at it opening up. You see it's got like a little sliding latch, which I assume is on both sides, which I think is probably anti-shim. A very nice little mechanism, and it's key retaining. I can't actually remove the key until I lock the padlock back up. Oh, he says. And there you go. Lovely. Right, let me get advice and then we'll have a go picking it. With American locks with this keyway, I always use a Peterson Gem in 18,000th. It just slides up so nicely up and down the keyway, which, like I said, isn't paracentric, so it gives me full height keyway. Nice bit of room either side, very nice. 1.2mm pry bar at the top, and yeah, let's just have a go at seeing what's going on inside. So nothing on 5, medium tension. Little click on 4. There we go. Little click on 3. Back to 4. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 5. 4. Not saying on 1 now. Ah, look at that. Click on 1. Now we're already in. Oh, another. Just tapped 1 again. And we went into an even bigger false set. Okay, let's have a look now. Nothing on 5. 4. Nothing on 3. 2. It makes me think it's actually 1 again. Might get a steeper hook to try and get past, there we go, the pry bar. Seems to be counter rotating on pin 1. Get onto it. Let's check back through. I don't trust it. Yeah, it does appear to be pin 1 there. Alright, let's give it a go. Might need a bit of manual counter rotation. And there we go, got it. Phew, I mean, that's very cool for an old lock. You just need to actually back that tension off manually to pick that last pin. I'm guessing it's quite a deep spool it hit. It's just the vagary of that lock. I don't know, just really interesting to pick that one. Just shows that some of these vintage locks do have a bit of a bite to them, even if they are little small 40mm padlocks. Very loose there. I wonder if it has just a bit of a worn mechanism on the inside. Just appears to be a little on the loose side. But yeah, lovely padlock. Hope you enjoyed that video. I enjoyed picking this lovely vintage lock. And, well, I'll see you all next time.